Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can create a Facebook page. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Make sure that you're signed into your account. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the top. Once you do so, you will find your account, and just below your account, they say you can create a new profile or a page. So you need to tap on that one. From here, you can choose either personal profile, but we are creating a page, so we will select this one, and then you need to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, then they will ask you to name your page, so you need to select a name. You can change that later on as well, so I will select a name for my page. So guys, I name my page Travel Lovers just for the sake of the video. Then you need to tap on next. Once you select the name, the next thing you need to do is to select a category for your page. So here you need to select something which will be related to your content. So at least you can select 3 categories, or you can even select more than that as well. So you need to select categories first, so I will do that as well. So guys, as you can see, I select 3 categories. You can select more if you want, and then you need to just tap on create. So guys, once you tap on create, it will bring you here. Finish settings of your page. You need to enter a bio, contact. You can enter an email, phone number, location, and all these. So I will enter all these details, and then I will show you the next step. So guys, as you can see, I enter a website, I enter my YouTube channel here. You can also do that the same if you have a YouTube channel. You can enter email as well, and then the phone number. You can enter location if you want. There are hours that you can choose, that if you have a business, you can say always open or standard hours or something, no hours are available. So then you need to just tap on next. So once you tap on next, here you can customize your page. You can select your profile picture and the cover picture as well. So I will select one, and then I will show you. So guys, as you can see, I selected a profile picture, and then I selected a background. All you need to do is to tap on the camera icon, and it will access to your gallery. From there you can select a photo just like this, and then you need to tap on next. So once you tap on next, they say you can invite friends. If you want to do this step, you need to just select the friends like this, and then you need to just tap on next, and they will send invitation to them. Once everything is done, page notification on your profile, marketing and promotional emails about your page. If you want to enable that one, then if you're okay with everything, just tap on done. So guys, that is it. Your page has been created. Allow Facebook to send you a notification. If you want to allow it, just tap on allow, and here they say start a tour. You can tap on that one, and it will bring you here to give you some information. If you tap on your profile now, as you can see, this is my new page. You can go to the professional dashboard from here as well. And just like your Facebook, you can just create a post here. As you can see, this the profile picture I just added recently, and that is it. So guys, this is how you can create a Facebook page on Facebook application on your phone, either Android phone or iPhone. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.